Hello everybody, it's Saturday morning, I think it's the 27th of October. I'm up in the Dalmahoy Golf and Country Club, running my 18th workshop. So like I said last week, it's almost a year on the 4th of November when I first started running my workshops. What a beautiful vision behind me. It's a really beautiful location. So today I kind of wanted to talk about, obviously it's my 18th workshop, and I was talking about yesterday when I was doing my 10-minute talk yesterday. It was regarding success factors, and you know what success means to people. Because we live in this bubble that success is all about material things, the big cars, the houses, and it's just not. So that's what I was talking about yesterday. But what I wanted to talk about today was, so why do people come along to this workshop? What's the purpose that people come along? Most people come along because they feel, I suppose, lost. They really don't understand where there is. You know, they don't understand that life is about having a destination. You know, it's about knowing where you're going, because if you don't know where you're going, how the hell are you ever going to get there? So it's really about getting that, finding that destination. And what the workshop does for small business owners and people in general, it makes them understand why. So for example, why, you know, why am I not getting things out of life that I want? Why am I failing? Why is it such a challenge? Why, you know, do I feel the way I feel? Why do I think the way I think? So it's about answering the why. The workshop answers the why. So we take it from where we are today, so the status quo, so where that destination is, and then fill the gaps in between. So that's what the workshop is about today. It's about helping people find their why, and that's really kind of, you know, what it's all about. And for me, you know, I just love to you know, help develop people. I just really enjoy, you know, seeing that little light bulb moment when people really get it and they really understand where they've been going wrong. Because I'm a big believer in you cannot tell people what to do. You cannot instruct people how to change. You know, you must learn to change first. So I'm just going to take a wee walk through. So we're in the Dalmahoy. So we're going to walk through into the rooms and give you a wee brief. So this is us walking through. So we're up the stairs. Anyway, I allow people to go through that journey. I get them to understand that, you know, we are all born with an unlimited potential. You know, we build our limiting beliefs, we build our belief systems around what we are told is true. In actual fact, it's not true at all. So we're just going to down Mahoy, so we're just going through this wee room here. So and that's kind of the journey that I'm going to be taking people on today is why. So as I said, where they are now to where they want to be. So this is the room we're in today. So we're in the Dalrymple. Here's my wee lobby room the wrong way. Good morning, people. Morning. Morning. So yeah, we've got some people in now. We'll be starting in about 15 minutes. So another exciting day. And again, it's really, you know, if you're a small business owner, or you know, you're looking to change your career, but you really don't know what to do next, you're kind of feeling lost, you know, you're feeling confused, you know, everybody's telling you all the reasons why you can't do something, but something inside you's telling why you should. Get yourself along, get yourself booked in to come to, and it's called Accelerate, and it's self-leadership development, because I'm a big believer in, if you want to lead anything in life, you first have to learn how to lead yourself. So that's kind of what the premise is all about. So again, thank you everybody for coming in and for watching. And if there's anything I can do to help anyone, please feel free to reach out. It's James Fleming, The Power Within Coaching. Bye.